my channel. I'm Miss Cowart's Journey, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. Make sure you all do not forget to subscribe. Make sure you like this video and comment down below if you have any questions. Today I'm going to be showing you all of my Aphogee products. This is going to be my Aphogee treatment day. If you all are not familiar with Aphogee, Aphogee is a product line of protein which my hair, which is relaxed, high porosity, loves. So I already took down my 2 braids and I've already detangled with my wide tooth comb. You all have to detangle your hair. If you need to, section it off multiple times. That will prevent breakage. The reason for my Aphogee products that I'm going to be using today is because I need to have protein a lot with my hair journey because I am high porosity. High porosity is a hair type that absorbs moisture but needs protein in order for it to flourish. So I'm turning the water on lukewarm. I'm going to wash my hair in sections. As always, it's a lot easier for me. Also, it just prevents a lot of breakage and tangling at the end. So right now I am rinsing my hair off just to get rid of all the buildup and product left behind.
Washing my hair twice with a deep Aphogee moisturizing shampoo, I moved on to my Aphogee 2-step. Now, when doing the process, you want to make sure you place it in a spray bottle because me doing it this way over the sink, it was just very difficult for me to detangle my hair. It was very difficult for me to keep the protein from getting all over my clothes and my arm. It was just a hot mess. Make sure that you place your Aphogee 2-step protein treatment in a spray bottle. Now it's time to sit under the dryer. I sat under the dryer until my hair was all the way dry. My hair was very hard, very stiff. That is what you want. During this time, however, you want to make sure that you're not manipulating your hair. That will cause breakage, and that is not what you want.
Alright, so I finished the process of my protein treatment under the dryer. I am very sticky. I have the protein treatment literally all over my arm, also underneath my chin, on my neck, on the side of my face. But this is what my hair looks like. I think it's dry, at least the perimeter of my head is dry. At least I can not get to my scalp. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wash this stuff out because I'm like over it.
Hey dolls, enjoying the video so far? Stay tuned by subscribing to my channel as well as clicking the notification bell to be notified of all my many videos that I love to post. Make sure you also comment down below on any questions that you may have on any video. Now let's get back to the video.
Very best of me. Give a little something, doesn't come for free. Oh, I know you have questions, baby. Even if I try and try too hard, nothing's ever enough. Even if I try and try too hard, tell me what to do, say anything, yeah. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah.
So I'm going to go ahead and apply the balancing moisturizer onto my hair. And I'm gonna leave that onto my hair 2 to 5 minutes. To now be proceeding with my hot oil treatment. It's my DIY, so if you're interested in that, then definitely stay tuned for the next video. If you have not already subscribed already, definitely subscribe, turn on your notification bell. Also list down any comments that you may have. Notification gang, I need you all to post down below. That's what I need y'all to comment, notification gang. I will see you all later. Love you guys so much. Stay tuned to the next video. Bye, dolls. Thank you.